Welcome back guys to another episode of Minecraft 1.17 Survival Series. This is episode 15. Last episode we made ourselves a raid farm, bad omen farm and a cactus farm. Last episode I asked you all which animals you wanted to be in the game. And you all commented some awesome mob suggestions. Some of you commented lion, peacock, Komodo dragon, frogs etc. If I was a Minecraft creator, I would have added some more varieties of fishes just like shark. I would also add some frogs and a Galapagos tortoise. I mean, just look at these mob models that some of the awesome members of Minecraft community made. I really want them to be added in future updates. Never mind. You all will be wondering why am I mining netherrack like crazy. Actually I need 856 nether bricks blocks. And to get nether brick I need to collect at least 16 to 20 stacks of netherrack. And you must be thinking why I need 856 nether bricks? I need them to make an awesome farm that will change my series completely. Now we have lots of netherrack. Let's smelt it to get nether bricks. I won't tell you guys what the farm is until I gather all the resources. I just need 9 stacks of nether bricks. But to make 9 stacks of nether bricks we are smelting 15 to 20 stacks of netherrack. It's because after smelting 4 netherrack we get 4 nether bricks which can be then crafted into 1 nether bricks block. It's done. We have more than 8 stacks of nether bricks now. I'll collect other resources and see you soon. As you all can see I am in a soul sand valley biome near a fortress. The farm that I am making is a wither skull farm. I am following the tutorial given by a YouTuber named Ianxofour. This farm requires no spawn proofing and it doesn't require for me to dig the whole fortress. This farm is easy to make and will provide me with unlimited wither skeleton skulls. First step, press F3 and G. It will enable chunk border. And look for a blue line. This blue line is the center with 4 chunks meet. And now just pillar up till you reach Y level 70. And then simply place the chest as I do. Now you need to place the other chest same as I do. After placing the chests, take your nether bricks blocks and go out 14 blocks from each side of the chests. We are building this wither farm in Soul Sand Valley because the mob spawning for other mobs is pretty low here and it increases the rates for wither skeletons here. And after that, just fill the large square with nether bricks. This will be the spawning platform for the wither skeletons. This has to be made with nether bricks block, because it's the natural fortress block where wither skeletons usually spawn. The platform is done now. I want you to place a dirt block in the corner and then place a wall diagonal to the dirt block. Then continue placing other walls leaving 2 block space in between each of them. And now take the turtle eggs and place each turtle egg on all the 4 corner walls. The turtle eggs will attract the zombie piglins which will help the wither skeletons to path find easily to the golem that we are going to trap here. I add the voice to the video after recording all the clips. The rates of this farm will blow your mind completely. The next few steps are confusing. But it's easier to build because it doesn't need any kind of spawn proofing. Take your walls and start building the chamber as I do, but leave the south side open. The south side will be the place where we make a portal from where wither skeletons will travel to the killing chamber. Then place some iron bars. Now just make an iron golem and nudge him into the chamber. And then trap him using the building blocks. This iron golem will be bait for luring the wither skeletons to our killing chamber. Now place 4 obsidian here, and then place walls all around the chamber. Place slabs on top of the walls, leaving the corners. Add stairs to the obsidian and place slabs in both sides of obsidian. Take the repeaters and place them around the platform that we made. Add slabs on top the repeaters and complete a roof. Start making a 3-block high nether portal. Go a little far from your farm and go to the nether roof. To go on the nether roof, ladder to the top bedrock block and then throw a pearl while holding W key. Now find the coordinates of the portal that we just made. Then pillar up there till you reach Y level 196 and then jump and place a glass block. Again press F3 and G. Then place another glass block on the side and place 4 building blocks as I do. These building blocks will mark the center where we will need to AFK for the Wither Skull farm to work. Surround the building blocks by placing glass around it. This will also make it safe for us to stand on. Build 4 blocks up on the dirt pillar we made. Go 2 more blocks in front and make a nether portal there. This portal will be where the wither skeletons will fall and eventually get killed by us. Go behind the portal and make a small room for the wither skeletons to fall in. Then use slabs as the platform and trapdoors so that no wither skeleton will be able to hit you. Climb up the ladder and build 18 blocks in the other direction. And make a portal at the end of the 18 blocks bridge. Extend the platform to make it safe for a walk. Take down the coordinates of the wither killing chamber portal. Taking appropriate coordinates of each portal is important. One wrong step will lead the farm to not work at all. Check out the original farm tutorial, linked in the description. Now place a wall and a door to the portal. Light the portal and go through it. This farm is almost done. We just need to make the transportation platform in the overworld now. Oh, I got the achievement for traveling 7 kilometers in overworld through the nether. Break this portal because we won't need it anymore. Now multiply your wither killing chamber portal coordinates with 8 and go to the coordinates. We will need to make a portal high up in the sky to make a transportation platform that will teleport the wither skeletons from one portal to the killing chamber portal. Now pillar up to Y level 200. This is the height that we need to make the platform. Now look at the south direction and build 7 blocks in that direction. And after you build 7 blocks in south, make a 3 by 3 portal. Add some blocks and walls as a barrier so that the wither skeletons will not fall down. Now go to the opposite side and make a portal 1 block higher than other. Add some blocks as railings to keep the wither skeletons on the platform. Now place some slabs to the portal that is 1 block higher. Now go to the lower portal and place 3 cobwebs as I do. Now light up both the portals. And go through the portal near to cobwebs. And good to say, the farm is done now. I will turn the difficulty back to normal now. I set it at peaceful to stop the hostile mobs from getting in my way of building. Before farming for wither skulls, look what I got. I wanted a looting 3 sword and I got it. I'll merge it with my Nichiren sword. Boy oh boy, look at this. The wither skeletons are already started to drop in here. We already got 1 wither skeleton skull. This farm is working so awesome. This farm is easy to use too. Whenever I come to the farm, I need to stand on the 4 blocks and after 2 minutes the wither skeletons drop in here like crazy.
A few moments later.
I added some hoppers that will throw all the loot into this chest. And we already got 22 wither skulls in just 10 minutes. Imagine if I sit here for 4 hours. I will get over 5 stacks of wither skulls.
1 hour later.
So I was getting a lot of stone swords from this farm. So I made an item sorter for the farm that will sort bones, coal and wither skulls for us. Last episode I used my diamonds to make a diamond block for the wind builds. So I'm here in my chunk mine to get some more diamonds. I set up a beacon here, and see this, I found my first slime. I might make a slime farm in future. Who knows? I just remembered that I had some sand left from the last desert mining session for glass. I will bring some gunpowder from our mob farm so we can make lots of TNT. I was wondering that there's something missing. Then I remembered that I don't have netherite. It's almost day 400 in this world and I don't have netherite. Lol. So here we are with our tons of TNT. I will place 10 TNT in a row and then blow them up. And here we go. We already found out first 2 ancient debris. This strategy works so well. We need to upgrade at least 5 of our diamond tools to netherite. That means we need to mine at least 20 ancient debris. I know I am late in getting netherite, but I am a veteran Minecraft player so I forgot that there is netherite in this game. I am used to using diamonds so I forgot about netherite. Oh yeah, here's the achievement.
A few moments later.
We got total of 24 ancient debris. I already smelted it and we have 6 netherite ingots now. Let's combine it with some of our armor and tools. Mr. Villager, let me borrow your smithing table. First let's get our armor with full netherite. Then I need a netherite pickaxe. Oh, I almost forgot. I have my diamond armor in the ender chest. Let's bring it and upgrade it. Getting full netherite armor will give me the achievement, and as well as I will be immune to knockback. Last armor piece will be netherite now. Here's the achievement. Also, let's get a netherite axe. Let's see how we look with our Yami Sukahiro skin. And for those who wondering what is my skin, it's Yami Sukahiro from the anime, Black Clover. He is a captain of a magic knight squad named Black Bulls. And for your information, this guy is one of the most powerful characters in the anime. This is the guy that no one wants to mess up with. Now back to the video. Oh boy, would you look at that? We have full netherite now. We are looking super strong. And with our Yami skin we even look stronger. Our journey from this episode will be more awesome, and I am prepared to continue this series for a long time. Take care for now. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.